Hi friends, welcome to our channel. In this video, I will tell you and show you how you can delete your WhatsApp account from other devices. Friends, please subscribe to the channel, put your likes, write comments under the video, and let's get started. So friends, to do this, open the WhatsApp app. Then at the bottom, go to Settings. And now select your connected device. Then friends, if you have synchronization with some device, or if you have been logging into WhatsApp from another device, then you will have one or more devices written right here. And in order to delete them, you'll need to click on the name of the device and then select Delete. Just 2 actions, so simple. They will delete your WhatsApp account from some other device. Next, friends, I recommend you to increase your WhatsApp security. For this, go back to Settings, go to Account. Next, two-step authentication. And here, turn it on. Next, friends, you'll need to keep a 6-digit code that you memorize so that you can enter that code when you log in. And further, after you enter it, you will need to repeat it again. After that, you will have two-step authentication set up. You'll also be able to add an email address here if you want to your WhatsApp account, and that's where you'll get notifications when, for example, someone tries to log into your WhatsApp or you confirm that it's you. This is the way, friends, you will be able to delete your WhatsApp account from other devices. I really hope this video has helped you and was useful to you. Please, friends, write your comments, make sure to put likes and subscribe to the channel. See you soon.